Hitler abɔdam bolem ni complete. Obedi o man.
Kwesi na you certify say abɔdam.
Eh na yo ye more than ma committee ya kwa. Adi a Hitler ye ni wiase ha. Na abɔdam ni edi e. So obedi o man. Oh. Bebri o ha ebetimi akeka asese bakosemu abɔdam for completer on be di man panin. Oh. Na ne ye kono ya nhwe ni ya enche kwami
wezi
ni enche benya bio
nyame pengu
bolam ni benya kwasampani
nyame pengu
na de ni akwawu hu
nti ye bom pa ni ye ho adwuma
anya mpa ebo
ye so ye ka bi
tisika sam no so na se ye kwoto aba ye dwene obi a obetumi aye biribi pa e de amọ man no mebi ensusuanso no ebi aka yen enu na ese ye fapem ye sika no say bibiara o masa kwami Osman beke wanya no bia kwaji manu asiboni so sa na ese meka no
Mr.
ye share politics yasi hwem panimfo anu mo de da amanu ko da no uko NPP Ashanti NPP Ashanti Dr. Donko Fodwo ene di ban no wo ho mebu amun kan chere
first one Dr. Harry Poku
that mean don't go for dominating your mapa because no near do boy in your close. Doing your mapa only young forcer, not dream wood door. Obey Nano, Yan Sanqua, mean tis obey Nano, my fumbi PF Nano, and that. Mother, with the young regional chairman, a hoodwa, PNC, CPP, NPP, na and that. Opening few and in a regional chairman in the different political parties. Advert being a can as I said, the difference is clear. Koban is saying a dear Narcissa. Samreno, who cap party leaders are party leaders are. One BJ Darocha.
Odo Sykes.
Masa.
Okay, Odo Sykes. Peter ala ajete.
Ayi emofra na womu no samre no dambotwe no.
Alaji munufie.
Wuti din no kura ma wonkran shaka.
Alaji Mahama Idrisu.
Uko CPP. Ajeni pakitwa o.
Dr. Kwareje.
KSP Jantwa.
KSP Jantwa.
Kodjobo tio.
Obeda Samwa.
And so, uko NDC NDC kura no kura na nda for munufie no.
Isi Fuali.
Captain Kodochi Kata no near the Utia. Master and the Bobodi in the Mubodi in the I didn't know what you are now.
Ultimate boy, yes, you to me more.
And I didn't know. I told you what I was saying. A Koban is saying. And a massa, Kwame, and there's a Nipasan. Nipadan sign. Nambom do no, some point on bottom. I don't know some. A titru no, Omo dream would do. Omo bet you a yadman. Some point at the bottom. Now, there some point a persuasion near the idea. Maybe in that bottom bed and what dreaming name. What our dream pa and what do my party at dinner near Twagu. Near Kofa Sabio Tafra Nyadum. Sabio Tafra Nyadum.
And to
and then you see what
Opensi baby I do no your reparations na bra men to us
na boni bempa na Ghana manya ya obi so sei onu hwa no ho a obetumi abedi anim asemeni dan no na me kama sem kwa me na me Ghana is 35 million 35 million hwe mu a hwe Ghana 35 million ni mu pa. Professor Ajekum oti hayi o ka 35 million no ho.
Aka.
Ana on ka ho.
Aka ho.
Atabritum, professor of French. Atabritum adia wa ye wo Ghana ha. UCC ngoma wa tro.
Na nnian so professor French UG.
Hey, cheso mu film suma no.
Na masa
mu film mampon nse bonkru.
Topic ben ne wo wiase ha wontumi ni Atabritum nka o kasa wi a wo ye mo nhihyew. Every Atabritum di 18 no mo ye conference bi wo University of Ghana and of friends e bin ko kasa. Na professor this way friend so me kasa. Na professor no sha say no say onu na mani hu na wo wiase mu nyina ne say ya friend so me kasa. Na obafiri na ni ahwe crowd no mu na Atabritum ti. O say yes na no kura funfun ohu asem nka ni kuma ti.
Oh no, a professor no.
No ya professor no hu professor bi a.
We hu professor emeritus.
Masa Akila Kwaso Olusuka Ghana 35 million. Edin de misi mi bubu a mintimi embo.
Professor Abuna Dolphinsuka.
Na professors no kwa pokeke. Ebinu wo ho nya professor nanso adwuma wa yama Ghana. Onu ani dibia ne ade na dwine se ne mu do. Omu nyina ka Ghana for ho. It is also bedi o man pani wo Ghana. Ni awu ka de sankofo nyina wo na bedi wo mu kan. Akukuduro so nya akukuduro sonkro. Asa din amabuboyi bi ka ho. Na de hwe nyina 35 million na wo kodina hwehwe mu hwe wo ho. Na wo se we nu nyina me ma be ye wo mu mampani mi na me bedi won kan. Asa wo akukuduro pa o. Because ka leadership there ka wo koya ke so ubo brim kakra ke se bibi ka so say hey Ariel na nipa ya mi ko di wanu manimi e dey na me wo chen won but abasa
Kremodak na
abasa
Kwesi ma minti opinion and brother issues and opinion.
Debbie Kwame.
Kwesi.
Me just have to be the general was me na Mosca. What I was going to say, me na Mosca. Oh. You na me na Mosca me na masai sika ni ade no e wo sunsunso wo ka sai ade abachi na se Ghana Revenue Authority for be so mu sei hwan se sika na hunya ye no e ho to boa se na otu aye na ye do kwatwiri mu na ye se wo bail 100,000 100 million u betimi akasa
se Mosca
so was got your yes sika no said you nya no elen to boa watua betimi akasa na mo ya say wi na se so mumu a mo say hey I didn't be so mumu ya time ntia ya mpa me party asumwa na mo de nsam yi ba masa
Kweli
NPP no me we dey wo say mi traso ntimi traso opening kebime min kebia membo no e dey amanyokuo na eye huntumi mfa amanyokuo baako pe enye multi-party democracy. Anna.
Okay, good morning to your listeners. My name is Mr. Emmanuel Clifford. I am the chairman for the Youth Association. We are embarking on this demonstration because for a long time, more than 20 years now, we don't have water. We never had pipe-borne water in Tong. We are pleading on the president to come to our aid to give us pipe-borne water. Now, secondly, if you look at our rules, we thought our father is in the kitchen. So we think, the president will come to our aid and fix our road. If you go to our inner road, it's very, very bad. If you go through the Mandela road, it is very, very bad. So as an industrial area like this, we cannot suffer this way. And we, the youth, are saying that enough is enough. Now, Prom and Tema are fighting with us in our boundary issues. We are pleading the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources to come to this particular issue so that this issue can be solved amicably. Now, all that we are saying is that the majority of our lands were given to TDC. It was acquired and given to TDC. So if there is a conflict TDC should be the first person to come to resolution of it. TDC cannot sit and put. We don't want to do anything to cause anything. All that we are saying is that all stakeholders involved should come and make sure there is peace. Because we are today having a peaceful demonstration. Tomorrow maybe it will not be peaceful. Thank you very much.
I'm David Aguado, the National PRO, the second Deputy National PRO of PPRTU. And our concern here is that our land at Siebu that have been given to us by His Excellency, the former President, Jerry John Rawlings, is now being taken over by private encroachers, in which we are now supporting, because that place is given to transport operators and traders. So if we transport operators and traders will be thrown out, where is our fate? That land is ours, and it will remain ours because it has been given to us by a president. And what we know is that governance is continuous. So if a president gives it to us, and you private encroacher or developer, you say it's for you, you will cease us not to operate. We will also resist because it's given to us by the state. It's given to us by the state. So we are not going to allow any private individual to encroach over there. See these women. See